Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman. Welcome back to my channel Accounting Celebrity. Today I'll explain you the differences between revenue expenditure and the capital expenditure. I see many students are confused to recognize these two expenditures, but it is very easy when you understand. So let's get started. Okay, look at here. First of all, we have revenue expenditure, then we have here capital expenditure. Okay, so what is revenue expenditure? This is money spent on running a business on a day-to-day basis. Means when business spend money to maintain the expenses of the business on a day-to-day basis, then it will be your revenue expenditure, like office expenses, salaries. Every month business has to pay salaries, then office rent, general expenses, depreciation, purchase of goods, stationery. Okay, these all will be the revenue expenditures. Okay, so what about capital expenditures? This is money spent by a business on purchasing, extending and improving non-current asset. By the way, what is non-current asset? Non-current asset lasts long time. When business buys some assets which will stay in the business for long term, more than 1 year. Okay, this will be your non-current asset. Okay, so when business buy non-current asset or extend non-current asset or improve, okay, then this will be your capital expenditure. Okay, so remember, when business buy non-current asset. Okay, what is non-current asset? Like machineries, fixtures, fittings, furnitures, motor vehicle, and land and buildings, properties, premises, whatever you call. This will be your non-current asset, and when business buy this, it will be your capital expenditure. Okay, so number 2 here, it is a nominal account. Yes, revenue expenditures are nominal account. Okay, so it goes in the nominal ledgers, and then capital expenditure is a real account. You know the rules of a real account. What comes in will be debited, what goes out will be credited. Means if asset comes in the business, asset will be debited, if goes will be credited. Okay, it is real account. So when asset is purchased for business, this asset will be your real account. Okay, so asset means the capital expenditure. So capital expenditure is real account. Okay, next we have number 3. It appears in the income statement. Okay, what is income statement? When business prepares income statement at the end of the period, okay, accounting period, to know the profit or loss of the business. What about capital expenditure? It appears in the statement of financial position. Excuse me. So all the asset stuff like capital expenditures, you know, asset. Yeah, so all assets will be included in the statement of financial position. What is the statement of financial position? It is actually a balance sheet. Okay, so statement of financial position and balance sheet is same. Okay, fine. So next we have here number 4. It is debited to the expense account. Okay, so this revenue expenditure will be debited to the expense account. So what is the rule for nominal account? All expenses will be debited all incomes gains will be credited, okay, as expenses are revenue expenditure, so this will be debited in the respective expense ledger account, okay. What about capital expenditure? Here it is debited to the assets account. Yeah, so when asset is purchased, then this asset will be debited, okay. Very good. What we have next? Number 5. It is usually a recurring items. So recurring items, what do you mean by recurring? Means this expense will happen again and again in a year. Okay, this is recurring. Will happen multiple times in a particular period of time. Okay, so and what about this capital expenditure? It is normally a non-recurring item. So capital expenditure is purchased once in a year, maybe after every 2-3 years. Okay, so same asset, you do not buy again and again, like a machine. Okay, business does not buy machine every day, every month, every week. Once it is purchased, it goes for long term, it lasts for long time. Okay, so it is actually non-recurring item. Okay, last one, number 6, it includes general expenses, financial expenses, depreciation of non-current asset, etc. Like all the, I said that all the expenses like salaries, wages, depreciation, bad debts, then stationery, bank charge, all about expenses are the example of revenue expenditure. Okay, then here capital expenditure, it includes the cost of machine, furniture, land and building, equipments, computers, motor vehicle, motor van, properties, premises. These all items are included in this capital expenditure. So it's very easy if you understand, if you remember these 6 points, 6 differences between these two expenditures. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you understood. Next time you will not make mistake to classify revenue and capital expenditure. Please subscribe my channel for more new videos and share these lessons with your friends. And stay safe and take care.